Does Watertown City Council member Cliff Olney need a lawyer at his upcoming ethics board hearing, or is it his choice to have one? 7 News reporter Sandy Torres has more tonight on how Olney wants city representation, and he believes the city charter backs him up.
It's been almost a year since Watertown City Council member Cliff Olney was accused of sharing confidential information, and an ethics complaint was filed against him. Olney now has the opportunity to stand before the ethics board, but says he doesn't want to do that without legal defense. Olney says the city charter stipulates the city should cover his legal fees.
The charter is very clear. The city has an obligation to pay my legal expenses.
The charter says this: the city attorney shall be the official legal advisor of the mayor, the council, and any board or officer of the city, shall prosecute and defend all actions and proceedings brought by or against the city or by or against any of its officers. Meanwhile, Olney says he cannot afford his own legal defense. He thinks it could cost $40,000.
My salary a year is $13,000, so it would cost me more than 4 years of salary. I can't afford that.
Meanwhile, the city manager says there are no signs the city attorney will provide any sort of legal representation for council member Cliff Olney.
It's a personal choice on his point at this particular time. If he feels he needs an attorney, this is within his rights to have an attorney. It's just at this particular point in time, our city attorney has an opinion that the city should not afford one.
Mayor Sarah Pierce says, quote, the charter does not require for legal representation to be provided to council members when they are acting beyond the scope of their official duties and against the best interests of the city and its residents, which is what the ethics complaint alleges. Pierce says Olney should focus on going in front of the ethics board to defend himself. Either way, Olney says he is in need of legal defense.
There's many things about the law that I don't understand. I'm not a lawyer, and so I need the help of somebody that can help me navigate through this process.
Sandy Torres, 7 News.